Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to fix a zoomed Apple Watch now. First, confirm Zoom is active by looking for enlarged content and the tiny blue zoom marker. With your iPhone nearby and both devices charged, keep the watch unlocked on your wrist. Now, tap once with 2 fingers to see if Zoom responds. This initial gesture tells you whether accessibility controls are active. Once done, make sure you can reach the Settings app, so you can toggle features without guessing or repeated blind taps. You'll use gestures and the digital crown to bring the display back. Double tap with 2 fingers to toggle zoom. If that disables it, you're done. If the watch remains magnified, pinch with 2 fingers and drag to reposition the visible area so you can access settings. Once you can see the digital crown, rotate it slowly. This changes the zoom level in small increments. Make sure to alternate gestures and crown rotations until text and app icons return to a normal scale. Finish by disabling zoom permanently in Settings. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Zoom, and switch it off. If the interface prevents that, restart the watch by holding the side button and sliding to power off, then turn it back on and try again. As a last resort, unpair and repair using your iPhone to restore default settings safely. If none of this works, try force restarting, press and hold both the side button and digital crown for about 10 seconds. Then check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.